Hi friends, welcome to my channel. And in continuation of the yesterday's video for Bank Nifty options, I created one more video just to say on expiry day how the options price will behave. So you can see the time is 10 o'clock, and now you can see the Bank Nifty futures value is 19,595, and you can see the variation of the prices. You can see 20,000 CE, it decreased almost 110 points, and now it is the value is 40 rupees compared to yesterday. And similarly you can see 19,500 PE, also it is decreased 89 points. So you can see both the values are decreased, either CE or PE. So that is the reason it is very difficult to predict on expiry day how it will behave. So only thing is, if it is 19,500 PV, if hit that 19,500, then this value will go up again. But if you see in 20,000 CE, definitely it will become zero at the end of the day. But I will show you after 2:30 how it will. After 3:30 we can see how the value is ended. Okay, please watch my first video of this part 1 Bank Nifty, so that it is easy to understand what I'm saying in this video. So I'm calling this video as a part 2, and you can see here now the Bank Nifty is hit less than 19,500, but you can see still the 19,500 PE value is less than the yesterday's value. You can see it is still 26 points less than the yesterday's value. So that means in the last day how it will behave, it's very difficult to understand. So maybe in after some time I will again come back and explain at the variation at 130, 230 and 330, how the Bank Nifty is varying, how the option price are varying, so that it is easy to understand. Now you can see the 20,000 CE is become 17 rupees. It will come down drastically. So if it is Bank Nifty is coming down, then definitely this value is going to be zero at the end of the day. But 19,500 it may increase if the Bank Nifty is decreasing. So we will see how it behaves today. Okay, now the time is 10:57, so we will see after at 1:30, okay, how it behaving. And one more thing I want to tell here is, suppose here 20,000 CE we can sell also if you don't have the quantity, but the margin requirement will be very high. You can just see we are trying to sell, we don't have the quantity, but we are trying to sell this 20,000 CE, and you can put some limit price as some value 60 or something like that, then just sell. Okay, see, now the insufficient funds, required margin is 87,000. And so if you want to sell the options, the call options also you can do, but only thing is the fund requirement margin is very high. Suppose if you want to buy, the requirement is suppose at 60 rupees, 60 multiple, it is actual price. If you want to buy at the actual price, then it is easy, 18 multiplied by 20. But if you want to sell these options 20,000 CE, the margin requirement is 87,000. So in the last day of the expiry, definitely the Bank Nifty is going to be decreased. If the based on the Bank Nifty future value, you can just guess how it will behave. But you can trade this 20,000 CE, but the amount required margin is very high, so almost equal to 1 lakh. So if you want to trade 5 lots, then you require 5 lakh. So definitely here, if you assume that it will decrease, then definitely it almost 130 points you might have got benefit by selling these options in today's morning. You can see the value. Now the time is 1 o'clock, and Bank Nifty is 19,450, and even though it strike the 19,500 PE, and today is last expiry day, and then also the value is less than yesterday's value, so you can see 95 points down and current price is 122. Okay, so similarly the 20,000 CE, it became almost 6 rupees, so it reduced 145 points. So I think definitely at the end of the day 20,000 CE is going to be zero. Okay, so now the time is 2 o'clock, and you can see the bank nifty value is 19,480. You can see now 20,000 CE became 1.5 rupees, so it will become almost zero at the end of the day. So anyway, 19,500, even though it is strike the 19,500, you can see the value of 19,500 also reduced to 77 approximately. So you can say whatever the on option expiry day, definitely the value will become less. So you can see 19,500 is not become zero, but it is reduced even though it is strike 19,500 in the May future value. So you can say on the expiry day, better not to trade on CE or PE, but you can say based on the situation, based on the trend, you can sell call option also, but for that margin is more, margin required is more in compared to normal buy option of call. So now we will meet after 1 hour and the end of the day, and then we can see how the values are closed. Hi friends, now you see the time past 3:30 and the trading is closed for the bank nifty. Today is weekly expiry, that is 7th May, and you can see the how the prices is varying, and current price it is showing as 19,544, and you can see 20,000 CE, what I was explaining, it became 0.05, and 19,500 P it became 8.7 rupees. So that's why I told in the option expiry day, and it will almost become zero. So you can just do paper trading before doing anything, and please consult your financial advisor before doing anything, and this is for only for suggestions. And you can see for the next week how it is, and bank nifty and 19,500 PE, and we can add 14th May is the next one. We can see what is the value, so that you can see 14th May also it is reduced, but you can see the value is very high, 540 rupees. So in the on the expiry day of the previous week, it will be like so 7th May, the today is expiry, and the 14th May value will be, it will be higher actually. So this is the way you can do some paper trading, and observe sometimes how it is varying, and then only I advise to do option trading in bank nifty. So I hope this video helped for you, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.